Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to Poniak. This is Caroline. We'll cover now Boeing's new CEO Kelly Ortberg's vision for the company's future and the update on the ongoing machinist strike. The new CEO has outlined plans for a leaner future at the troubled airplane manufacturer. The firm is reviewing its portfolio and considering streamlining operations. Ortberg emphasized focusing on core businesses and improving quality control. Boeing reported a revenue of $17.8 billion with a significant loss of over $6 billion for the third quarter, its largest since 2020. The company's commercial airplane unit posted a loss of $4 billion, up from $678 million a year ago. Those losses are attributed to significant delay in its key 777X wide-body aircraft program. In other news, thousands of striking Boeing machinists are voting on a new labor contract today. The proposed deal includes improved wages and benefits, as well as a commitment to build Boeing's next aircraft in the Pacific Northwest. Ortberg expressed hope for a resolution to the strike, which has been costly for the company. The new contract offer includes 35% raises over 4 years, a higher signing bonus, and 401k contributions and other improvements. The ongoing strike costs Boeing a staggering $1 billion a month. The CEO also announced plans to reduce Boeing's global workforce by 10%, part of his strategy to create a more focused organization. Ortberg acknowledged the challenges ahead, but remained optimistic about increasing the production output of its best-selling 737 MAX once the strike ends. As Boeing navigates these turbulent times, all eyes are on the outcome of the labor vote and the quarterly call with analysts. We'll keep you updated on these developing stories. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us on Poniak. I'm Caroline. Hit the like and subscribe button.